Welcome back to Dude Craft Guitars. Captain James Nelson here with another quick tips for you. If you guys recall, the last one we leveled and crowned these frets. Now we're going to polish them up. So we're just going to remove this tape real quickly. And then we're going to add some more tape. So that's what's funny. Yeah, so now we do the tape trick. Make sure you get yourself a nice sharp razor blade. And what I'm going to do is cover up each and every one of these frets, because I don't want them to get damaged while I'm doing this part. Okay, and you may notice how I skipped some. There's a reason for that. It's because, as you notice, this kind of overlaps. That's what the razor blade's for. Come in, slice off that overlap. Yeah, beautiful. And now we're going to take the marker again. Now if you recall, I crowned these with the Z file. I'm just going to come back and hit it again with the same thing. And then I'm going to go the other direction, believe it or not. Do it again. Now you notice I had the headstock hanging over the edge. Now that I've got it in the middle of the bench, I want to put support under it. Take some 220 and just kind of round everything over. Now I've got this special little file. It helps me just kind of round these things over. Now we come back over that with the 220 again. 320. Lift that tape up just a little bit, because here in a moment we're going to take it all off, and then this just makes it a lot easier to get it started. Now we're going to come in with 600. I love how it sticks to that. This is just a little eraser, and then we're going to come back with these more professional type erasers. By working in these, they work into a groove, and that little groove just fits the frets perfectly. So this is the stuff we're going to use. I'm going to start it out on number 2. Just get a good spread. Okay, that looks like it's spread in pretty well. Now I'm just going to put a little bit more on there. I'm going to do it again. This time I'm going to go up to number 3. I started working this thing, I started putting pressure on it. That's actually to get the polish to really work into that metal and do its job. But then I took off the pressure. That's what's going to give it the shine. If you just go straight across at the beginning, all you're going to do is wipe the stuff off. Yeah, those look pretty shiny to me. Go back to see if we could get that tape off. So there we are on how to polish the frets up. Please click like and subscribe if you like this video. Hit the bell if you want to know when the next one's coming up. But like I said, we're going to touch up the fretboard itself here, and we're going to take care of all the rest of them, and I can finish this thing out for you. So please do come back.